Good morning children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, we are going through with chapter 11, that is geometry. And today we will learn about that how we can draw the line with the help of scale. So how we can measure the line with the help of a scale, how we can draw the line by measuring with the scale. So this we will learn today, and we will go through with exercise 11a after this topic. So children, be ready with your scale, pencil, so that you can be easily able to learn to how to draw line with the help of scale and how to measure the line with the help of scale. So because you have to draw these lines with the help of scale only because the measurement is given according to which you have to draw the lines. So children, let's see. Take out your books, copies, be ready with your scale and pencil, and let's see the topic. So children, let's see it from book. On page number 194, it is given measuring line segment. First of all, you can see the scale is given. This is our scale from 0 to 15, and we always start drawing lines from the 0, and when we measure anything we measure it from 0. So you can see here, let us measure this pen. The pen is drawn here and its measurement is started from 0. So from 0 to 6, the length of the pen is there. So it is 6 centimeter. What do you see? The pen is kept at 0 and the last point is at 6. Thus the length of the pen is 6 centimeter. Clear? So we always start measuring from 0, not from 1. So always start measurement from 0 because this is the starting of the scale. Now class assignment is given 11a. Measure and write the length of the following line segments in the space provided. So you can see there are 4 lines are drawn here. So what you will do now, you will take your scale and pencil. So measure, keep your scale from here and see from the 0. So what will be the length of this line? You have to write here. Clear? From 0 to the last point you will see with the help of your scale, and you will write it here. The same you will do with this one and this one. The 4 lines are drawn. So first you do it by yourself, then I will tell you the answer, then you check it that you have done it correctly or not. Clear? Now come to page number 195. The topic is drawing line segment. That was the topic, measuring line segment. This is the topic, drawing line segment. To draw a line segment of given measure, we draw a point on the sheet as the starting point. Then place the ruler with the point at 0. Mark another point same as the length of the segment. Join the points with a straight line. So how we draw the line? Suppose that the first example is given. Draw line segments of the following measurements. The first is given a line segment measuring 3 centimeter. So you will put your scale. You will put one dot at the point 0, another dot at the number 3, because you have to draw 3 centimeter. So from 0 to 3. So you will put 2 dots and then you will draw one line from A to B. You will name them A and B. Any name you can give it, C, D, E, F. So it is given here AB. So 0 to 3 it will be. Second example is a line segment measuring 11 centimeter. So from 0 to 11, first point you will put at 0, then another one at 11. Then you will join the two dash with the help of a scale, and this will be the line segment of 11 centimeter. So this how you have to draw the line. Now let us see exercise 11A, which is given on page number 195. The first question is, you will do it in your book only. The light from a torch is an example of a. So this is the torch and this is the light of the torch. So starting point is here and the ending point is when you will light the torch. So what you will see that the starting point of this light is here. It is having the fixed starting point, clear, and the light of the torch is going, it is extending endlessly in the other direction. You can see the starting point of the light is fixed, है ना? It is coming from the torch and it is going endlessly, extending endlessly in the other direction. So this is the definition of ray. So this one is the ray. A light from a torch is an example of a ray. Now come to the second question. Draw the line segments of the following measurement. Here the second question is, first question you will do in book only, second question you will do in your copy. So first is 13 centimeter. You will take scale, put in your copy, put one dot at the point 0, another dot you will put at 13. Then you will join the two dots and you will name them A, B. This is the line of 13 centimeter. Second is 8 centimeter. So from 0 to 8 you will draw C, D. Okay. Let me show with the scale. Suppose that you are drawing 13 centimeter. So see in your scale that from 0 to 13 you will draw. So you can check it. I have drawn here with the help of scale that it is 13 centimeter. Clear? You can see it. So you will draw it with the help of scale. You will always start drawing from the point 0. Now the second one is 8 centimeter. The third one is 2 centimeter. So this is the line of 2 centimeter EF. Fourth is 5 centimeter. From 0 to 5 I have given the name AB. 7 centimeter. From 0 to 7 name is CD. 6 centimeter. This is from 0 to 6 from EF. Now the question number G is 4.5 centimeter. So what you will do with this? You will take scale. You will draw line from 0 to 4 and then you will count 5 lines after 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 4.5. Clear? The small lines which are drawn after the number 4, that will be 4.5. And with 5.5 also you will do the same from 0 to 5 and the small 5 lines you will count after 5. So this will be 5.5 centimeters. C, D we have given the name. Now question number 4 is, this is the definition only which you have done yesterday. Draw the following and define the following. So you have to first define it and then you have to draw it. The first is line. A line has no end points and extends endlessly in both the direction. That is, we have drawn here a ray. A ray starts at a point but does not end. This is a ray. A line segment. A line segment has a fixed length and has two end points. So this is line segment. So these are the exercise 11A that you will do in your copy. And question number 3 of this exercise is your homework. Let me show. This is question number 3, measure the following line segments. The lines are drawn here. You have to measure it and you will write it in this box. The box is given here. You will write the measurement in this box with the help of pencil. So question number 3, measure the following line segment, is your homework for today. So children, do it, and if you will have any problem, then you can ask me on group. Thank you and have a nice day.